Hi, I'm Julia from the Web Atrium, and I'd like to show you how to install the Microsoft Clarity tracking code into a Squarespace website. Let's go into your Squarespace website and see where we're going to put the code. So we are here in our website, we go to Pages, and then down here where it says Custom Code, and then the option that we want here is Code Injection. So code injection has a few different places where you can put custom code. It can be in the header or in the footer, and this just means that it will be in the head tag on every page of your site or into the template defined footer of every page on your site, as it says there. There are some other places where you can put custom code if you need to. For the purposes of this demo, we just want the header. So if there's already code in this place, then what we can do is copy the existing code and save it into a text file just for backup, so we can always go back to how it was before if something goes wrong. To get your Microsoft Clarity tracking code, you need to log in to the website and create an account. And then when you've got that set up, you'll be at this page here where you can choose an installation method to get started. So since we're installing this on Squarespace, we're going to go to View All Platforms and then find Squarespace. So here's the tracking code. We copy that to Clipboard. And that's all there is to it. So now that we have our tracking code from Microsoft Clarity, we can go back to our Squarespace website and navigate to where we put the code. We go into Pages, then down at the bottom, Custom Code, Code Injection. We find the header, and we paste that code right in there. And then up at the top left, click Save. And now we've got tracking code on our website.